Alright, so this is the deal. Gas prices are high as hell. And what we're going to do is see how much money we can make today, and is it worth it with gas prices being very high. Right now I'm 114 miles to E, so I'm going to have to put some more gas in it very soon. So my plan is to only grab orders primarily well over $10, low miles. Try to get 20 of them, make $200, put 50 in the tank, $150 profit. And since it's a Friday, hopefully orders should be picking up. I'm going to use Grubhub, UberEats, and I might do ship today if there are any good orders. Let's go. Oh yeah, before we do get started, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and since the market is crashing, enjoy some free stocks with Moomoo. Link in the bio, pinned to the top of the comments. So literally just sign up with the link, put $1 in, and you're going to get 6 free stocks. Let me know which ones you get. Let's go. And we just picked up our first order. It is $8 going 8 miles. It's under what I wanted, but it's at Walgreens and it's one item. I'm grabbing some deodorant. First order, why not? Let's go grab this deodorant. Okay, I lied. They actually want some kitty litter, and the one that they wanted is not here. So I'm texting them to see if they want anything different. Literally one item, and they don't have it. Here's the problem. I get to the store, the lady didn't answer my text message, so I decided to call Uber Eats at this point because I want to cancel the order. I'm going to probably get penalized for doing it, and I want to get compensated for driving 6 miles to get here. We're going to see how much they pay us, but it's starting off not good, so wish me luck. I've been on hold 3 minutes and 50 seconds and been at the store for about 10 minutes. Yeah. So this turned into a loss. That order got canceled. You won't be paid for this delivery. I just wasted about 20 minutes and the gas for nothing. Let's try again. So I don't know if I started too early, but these are the worst orders ever. I just picked up one at this place. It's a vegan place, making $7 going 3 miles. At this point, I gotta grab something because I'm just wasting gas driving around. Thank you, appreciate it. All right, so far today has been absolutely terrible, but it's starting to pick up. I just did a two $6 orders just to get in the groove, and I finally got a good one, paying $17 going 3 miles. It's a double order, so look like it's a festival going on. So hopefully things pick up. I really want to make that $40 or $50 quick so I can put that in the tank, and then everything from there will be pros, including me going to go get something to eat. So let's see. Look like they have a fair going on right now. Policia. Got the first order. The second order is 2 minutes away, but 11 minutes walking. So we're gonna hop in the car and hopefully find a place to park, because I'm parking illegally right now. Russell? Grubhub? My man, thank you. Quick. Careful driving, somebody got into an accident out here. So I just picked up another order, paying $9. I'm at $46. I got enough to put some gas in my car. I'm at 41 miles to E. It is about 3:30 or 4:30, one of the two. Starting to pick up, so I guess it just was slow since it was earlier. And now after I put gas in, I'm gonna probably grab some food, so I'm still gonna be in the red. Then hopefully we can finally start making money and be on my route to $150 take home today. Let's get it. Y'all got any questions, let me know in the comments. Hoping this worked out how I planned it. So I seen a Grubhub order for $10 going 6 miles. So I picked it up, Then I called this taco place and put in an order for a taco bowl, and that's gonna probably be close to $10, so that will pay for it. So I'm about to go pick up this order, and I believe on the way back I should pass this taco place so I can do that and cross cancel my food. Gotta think smart. Now this was actually a Grubhub order, picking up at the gas station for some alcohol. So whenever you do alcohol orders, you have to see people, scan their IDs and stuff like that. So it is what it is. I just hate having to deal with people because I don't know if they're gonna be on time. Actually, while I'm here, I should get gas. Oh no, they're 5:23. We're not getting gas here. All right, now I'm at the taco place. They said 10 minutes and it will be ready. And it's on the way to my pickup. Let's see. Hello. Spirit and energy I needed. I say I'm gonna come here and get the best taco bowl I can get. Shout out to my brother. And my sister. Y'all doing okay today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
It's good.
Not
I'm
bad,
out
huh?
doing some orders, doing UberEats, Grubhub, and I'm vlogging. Now, if this is not the best taco bowl I ever had in my life, I'm taking it and I'm throwing it.
No. It's gonna be the test.
Can I get a side of that sauce?
What kind of sauce? Gorgon?
Yes, sir, please. My G.
You're more than welcome, buddy.
See you soon.
Hola, Mari!
Perfect timing, baby. Perfect timing. That's where you like to order, where you can get good energy, good spirits, baby. Let's go. Can't even get to 10 gallons. Are you not good enough for your home? Terrible. Moment of truth. Come on. Be over 250. Be over 250. Oh no! Oh, the gas gods has done it again. That's funny. What's the odds of that? All right, it's break time. Oh, should have did it without olives. I don't want olives. Oh well. Food was absolutely amazing. I completely destroyed it. Now we are basically dead even. We got 249 miles worth of gas in the tank. I'm refueled. Have some water. I really need an energy drink, so we'll be okay. We need to make $150. Let's do it, all pros. Come on. Chipotle order, picking up, paying $12 going 9 miles. This is for Shotty. Hello, Grubhub for Shotty. Shotty. Thank you. All right. So that person wanted me to deliver to their apartment, which the elevator took forever to basically deal with. That was $12. While driving there, I got another one paying $8, so that's gonna be $20. So let's pick that up. $8 going 3 miles. So a random tip, usually when I'm within 1 mile of delivering an order, I turn on my other app. So this was a Grubhub order. So once I got one within 1 mile, I turned on Uber Eats. So hopefully by the time I drop it off, I will be able to accept another order and keep on moving. You want to flow. And I did get one, but it was $7, paying going 7 miles, and I don't want to do it in that neighborhood. But you gotta have some type of plan. Let's get it. Since it's so hot today, people was ordering ice cream. Now, this comes with pros and cons because we have a big problem. Since it's very hot outside today, as I'm picking up this order, this will happen. So you see all the notifications, and my check engine light came on, and it's not going off. And this never happened. The order I'm doing right now is a $7 order going 1 mile. This will put me at $37. Finally starting to pick up. But I believe I'm about to shut this down. Take my car back, get it washed. And tomorrow let it cool off. And make sure I have all the right coolants. I know I have the oil in there. I know I have everything. So just make sure my baby is okay. Because, you know, this is what, 2007 Ford Fusion. Ain't nothing new. But we got to make sure the baby okay for this. And it's been getting whooped on. So it ain't looking good. Ain't looking good, y'all. But if I would have kept going, I believe it's like 7 something right now. Realistically, I would have stopped at 10. So I would have made it probably close to $80. Including the money I spent on gas, that would have been $50. So that would put me about $130 today. Is that worth it? I can break down the math, but I got to deliver this. So I will probably ping it to the top of the comments to break down if it's fully worth it. So yeah, man, this sucks. This is the bad about doing these jobs. It's a lot of wear and tear on your car. Man, wish me luck. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. So I pulled over to check out the engine, and when I tell you just everything is burning up, I have all my fluids and everything in here. I just think everything overheated, and I probably need to put on a new battery or hook up the cables. While we wait on this car to cool down, this is what we can talk about. Let's talk about the numbers, what people actually like to hear, right? The numbers are, let's say if you make $20 an hour right now, you make $20 an hour, you work 8 hours, how much money are you making per day? That's $160. Let's say, tax purposes, let's say $20 of that go to taxes. So now that's $140. Driving back and forth to work that day, let's say that equates to $15. We just say $10. We're just going to be nice. So that's $130 right there, right? And we didn't even add in food. Well, we're adding food. Like me, I paid $10 on food. Another $10, $120. You're going to be close to about $100 a day when you break down the numbers. Now, look at what I did. Now, I went out, put gas in my car, ate. That covered $50 worth of gas, $10 worth of food, $60 right there. I was on the route to making, we just rounded up, and let's just say $100 in profit today, like my plan was to do. It really depends on what type of person you are, because having... No, I'm good. Thanks for asking, brother. Appreciate him. He actually asked to check me out, man. God bless that brother. Most people ain't doing that. I appreciate it. What I was saying, it really depends on what type of person you are, because if you can make $100 a day profit and be flexible to do, I need to turn off this. This is gonna probably be a good order too. I don't even want to look at it. I ain't even gonna, yeah, I am gonna look at it. Let me see. It wasn't bad. It was $7 going 2 miles. I would have picked it up, pizza place. But what I was saying is, if you like going to work, having structure, being in AC and all that type of stuff, you can make that $100, $20 an hour, $100 plus take home. Cool. You like the freedom to be able to do whatever you want and still make the $100, but you put in wear and tear on your vehicle. What you're going to get back on your taxes, because you're doing 1099, so you're going to keep all your receipts and you're going to give that to your tax attorney, and you're going to get the write-offs. So if I made, let's say, $150 a day, you're technically keeping all of your $150 with tax write-offs, you know, including the gas and stuff. So it really depends on who you are. Me, I don't necessarily like having a job too much, so I'm cool with doing this and just hustling. If I want to stop and go have a beer or just have some fun, I can do it. Or if I want to grind all night, I can do it. So technically there's still a small opportunity here where you can actually make some money, but you have to be very good with numbers, be strategic, and you have to plan it out to basically make it work. Let me know what y'all thoughts in the comments. I appreciate you guys. I'm Lando Sess, and I'm out.